The Fiji Water Flying Fijians are going into this weekend's clash against the Wallabies with a positive and clear mindset. That's according to head coach Mick Byrne. Byrne reveals that the mental health of the players is always crucial before any clash, and he is certain that his team is well aware of what is expected of them in this weekend's match.
I think when we come together, one of the key things is that we get some clarity. I know it sounds like it's a rugby thing, but I think from a mindset perspective, if everybody knows what their role is and everybody is on the same page, then our mindset is really positive around how we want to be and how we want to play. And
Adds that they also have a strong team dynamic which will enable the players to perform on the field.
I think culturally we're a very strong team anyway. Like our culture sits very deep in us, and it has since we were, in our villages. So I think for us, our cultural is a strength. Our culture is always there. And I think once the players come together and get on the same page and understand the game we're trying to play, then our mindset's really positive and they can bring a lot of energy to that.